Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQB. This casting is by Matchbox, and as you can see it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the EQB out of its box, and it's finished in white with this black plastic cladding going all around. Wheels, we have seen these wheels on so many different Matchbox throughout the years. They don't look bad here. Since we are on the driver's side, let's talk details here. You got mirror, you got this lower plastic part cladding. You also see from here that the tail lamp and headlamp are detailed. Also got the mirror and little spoiler. Let's come to the front. Up front, good details. You can see you've got detailed grille. It's an electric vehicle, so it's all flat, like there's no opening. Big Mercedes badge on the hood too. Detailed headlamp, lower grille. All looks good. You also got the windshield wipers here, and this whole piece is plastic. It's done just to show have like a dual panoramic sunroof, a big sunroof. Doesn't look bad here. Looks alright. Let's go to the passenger side. Almost identical as driver side. The only thing, I assume this is a charging charging port. So you got that. I do like how they have done the blackout pillars. B pillar and C pillar. Look good. Coming to the back, again good details here. You've got detailed tail lamp, you got the Mercedes badge, you got windshield wiper, spoiler, and let's see if it can focus. EQB badge and formatic badge too. This is for the number plate. No exhaust. This looks like diffuser though, smaller ones. So overall, looks like a nice casting. I like the details on it. I like the wheels on it too. They don't look bad here, especially with the color. And details are nice. I think overall it's a nice casting, and if you want to get it, you should. It won't look bad in your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.